When I was younger, I should've known better, and I can't feel no remorse, and you don't feel nothing bad.
We are back on the road. We are heading to Ladies Well. Today, it's going to make a cracker. Got the young bloke on the back, all the gears packed up. Village, you know, it's got a good liquor land shop, a liquor box, ice box. Seriously, sick of this fucking traffic. You shithole. Waterfalls today, but I got bigger plans. Nice spot for riding. That's a bit better. Dairy bar. Maine. Never bloody heard of it. But yeah. Oh, go home, mate. That's it. There's a bloody bowling club, like lawn bowl club. Like, are they just taking everyone? Greta today. What is it? Headed Greta. We're getting closer. Getting closer. Old church. Love a good old church. Not religious at all though. Heritage buildings. Patterson. Oh, can't remember if I've been here before. What do you do for work around here? Love to know. Throw some in your comments. We shall stop here for food somewhere. Lunch at the East Gresford Cafe. Man, chips were loaded with chicken salt. That is nice open spaces. It looks very healthy. Blue tree. Look at them.
steal away, live for the moment. You say we'll be just fine. Under the stars, we talk for hours. The tales you spoke so divine. My old friend, where are you going to? Let's raise a glass. Days to come, this time is ours. Let's make a memory that lasts. We're not going home. Everyone in the moment. We're not going home. Let's survive together. We're not going home. We're not going home. Take my hand, dance on the table. These mouths, they sing of love. Here's to us, unwritten future tonight. Such a lovely one. Seal the doors, keep all the good in. We'll hear the morning call. Sun will rise, gift us the moment. This night is ours, one and all.